ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್
ಏನು ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು, ಬಟ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಅಂತ.
ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಅನ್ನಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಆಕ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ನೀವು 4 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ನೀವೇ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು.
ಫೋರೆನ್ಸಿಕ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸರ್ಜರಿ ಪೇಪರ್ 1.
ಸೇಮ್.
ಜಿಕೆ, ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಜಿಕೆ.
ಶಿಲ್ಪಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್,
ಶಾಲಿನಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್,
ಶಿಲ್ಪಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್,
ಶಾಲಿನಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್,
ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ಸರ್,
ಸಿಜಿ ಸರ್.
ನನ್ ಶಾಲಿನಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮು ಏನಂದಿದ್ರು, 2 ಕತೆ ತಗೊಂಬರ್ತೀನಿ, ನಾಳೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕತೆ ಮೇಯ್ಸ. ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ರಾಜೇಂದ್ರ ಸರ್
ಯಾಕ್ ಓಕೆ ನೀವೇ
ಪೊಂಗಲ್
ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ.
how was your experience with external examiners?
ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಫೈನಲ್ ಇಯರ್ ಅಷ್ಟು.
ಫೈನಲ್ ಇಯರ್ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅನಾಟಮಿ
ನಮ್ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ
ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಸ್
ಅಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷದಾಗ ಬೈದಿಲ್ಲ.
ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ ಗುಡ್, ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ವರ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು.
ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗು ಬೈಯೋಣ ಅನ್ಸ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ಬಯಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದಿಬ್ರನ್ನ ಬೈದಿರ್ಬೋದೇನೋ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆಯ್ತು ನಾವು ಸಿಸ್ಟರೇ ಕೊಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂತು ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಹರ್ಷ ಬ್ರೋ,
ಅವಿನಾಶ್ ಸರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್,
ಗೀತು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಪೊಲಿಟಿಷಿಯನ್.
ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಷನ್ ಇನ್ನೂ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಓಡಿಸ್ಕೋತೀರ ನನ್ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲ.
ಸರ್ಜರಿ ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್ ಸರ,
ಶಿರಪ್ ಅಂಗಡಿ,
ಅವ್ರದ್ದೊಂದು ಅಂಗಡಿ ಶಿರಪ್
ಅಂಗಡಿ,
ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಸ್ಟೋರ್.
ಯಾವುದೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿದೆ.
He should have been some orator.
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಡಾನ್ಸರ್,
Dancer. Empire.
ಎಂಪೈರ್ ಅತ್ತೆ ಮನೆ.
Empire.
ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸ್ಪಾಟ. ಸುಲೈಮಾನ್
ಪೈಪರ್ ಟೀಚರ್ ಸಿಗ್ನೇಚರ್.
ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ ಡ್ಯೂ.
ನಂದಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅವನಾ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಶೇಕ್,
ಲಸ್ಸಿ,
ಫ್ರೂಟಿ ಲಸ್ಸಿ,
ಬಾಣ ಲಸ್ಸಿ.
ನೋ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್.
Forever in the mind. Best my dads ever.
ಒಂದು ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಲೀಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಅಂತ ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಅದರಿಂದ ಟಾಪರ್ ಆದೆ ಅಂತ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನು ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಕಮಿಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಜೂನಿಯರ್ ಜೊತೆ ನಡೆಸ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಹೆವಿ ಇದೆ.
ರೂಮರಾ ಏನಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ,
ನನ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಗಳದು ಸಾಕು. ಟಾಪ್
pain abdomen presenting as a pregnant lady presenting with pain abdomen delivered the baby here in the casualty.
He has got snake, right? He has brought the snake with him. He was like, this is the snake that bit me, and he was actually alive also.
There's one more where the guy has eaten the snake.
Yeah, there is chicken more.
Chili chicken.
Chili chicken.
Biryani. Puri. Like puri.
When we say ಅವರು ಹರ್ನಿಯಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ನಾವು ತೋರ್ಸಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಅವಾಗ ಅಂತಾರೆ, ಅಥವಾ ತೋರಿಸಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಆಕ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ us actually. It's so hard to think. Due to personal issues, I am not able to tell you.
Camera through.
Must be an engineer. Okay, maybe like lecturer.
I have a very broad set of options, but I would stick to I stick to being a coach or coach.
Mechanical engineer or starter, entrepreneur.
Civil engineering.
The only excuse we have is diarrhea, and we don't get any other excuses immediately.
Girls have this dysmenorrhea. Definitely it is a great excuse.
This is one of the only when we are there. Dr. Trinesh Gowda sir.
Usually surgery JRs. Surgery JRs, we thought they are some laymen and they have screamed at them also.
Anybody in
When they're
specific?
casual. Lavanya ma'am, okay. She might not even remember that.
Forensic, medicine, media, surgery, all. Surgery paper.
Often, rubbish. It is a big rubbish subject.
Anatomy.
Crazy, awesome, sexy.
OBG.
Worst,
Marathi.
Narachi.
Hostel food.
Bad, stay away.
Parishrama.
Not a place to go, but many memories.
Mudde sir.
Wrong. Mandya. Mandya is the film. Why?
Heart. Casualty.
Awesome experience.
Graduation.
Good to, sounds good but very sad.
Medicine Ramya ma'am.
She left us. We were useless approach.
Much expected questions, what sir?
You answered.
ಈ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡೋ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಅಂತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕಾದ್ರೂ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿ
Me, it was the surgery person from Pond. He was like, he was asking me questions. If I told something wrong, he would just stop you.
Yes, sir. We'd ask the complaint. They said Kanno. Should again ask them which part, like what is the actual problem. They don't usually say that. Kanno. Kanno, Kanno. Everywhere Kanno, Kanno. I know this is regarding Kanno. Tell me what more you have.
I think in labor on those days, when you were suturing the episode, he was scared that you closed the entire one. You as a sister. It's been happening even now. I'm frustrated with that. So that.
Is there right to be frustrated? Even if someone calls me a brother, I get frustrated.
Best bunk ever.
Best bunk in dermatology. I bunked 4 days. And it was for the Goa trip.
Community medicine for the Goa trip.
Dosa. Just steady. That's all you can do in this profession.
Eventually, studies will happen the same way.
ಸಂಜೀವ್ ಸರ್
He's the funniest person. Never before ever.
Pallavi ma'am from media, Surya ma'am from medicine, or Malvika ma'am from ophthalmology.
Okay, Pallavi ma'am to be here.
First rank Raju.
Saklan.
Devrani.
Nimisha.
OBG. Shalini ma'am. That's the kids. Right before exam. Prashant Bucket. Yashwant.
हाथ पैर में दर्द
ನಾವು ಲೇಬರ್ ರೂಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ವಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಶುಯಾಲಿಟಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ರಂತೆ ದಿಸ್ ಲೇಡಿ ವಾಸ್ ಲಿಟ್ಲಿ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಪ್ರೆಗ್ನೆನ್ಸಿ ಓಕೆ ಬಟ್ ಶಿ ಇಸ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಪೇನ್ ಅಬ್ಡಮೆನ್ ಶಿ ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ನೋ ಶಿ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಗ್ನೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹರ್ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ನಾಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಇವರು ಕೇರಳಲೆಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರು ನೋಬಡಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ನ್ಯೂ ದಟ್ ಶಿ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಗ್ನೆಂಟ್ ಅವಳು ಇನ್ ದ ಲೇಬರ್ ರೂಮ್ ಶಿ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ಲಿಟ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಲಿಥಾಟಮಿ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪುಷಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಶಿ ಇಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ನಂಗೆ ಮಗು ಬರ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲಿ ವಿಶ್ ವಿಡ್ ಆಂಗ್ರಿ ನೇನ್ ವಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಾರಪ್ಪ
ದೋಸಾ
हरिकेतन सर
Darshan sir, because I think it's very still. For MBBS, what would you choose?
इंजीनियरिंग मेकेनिकल्स
BSc
How was your experience with external examiners? So many answers. You can. In the first year exam, they asked what is inflammation of testis called? I said testitis. And the external examiner laughed at me.
Yeah, he laughed at every one of us.
Can it be told on record like this? In Kila Ranu, both me and Nimisha. On a Sunday, there were no staff in Kilara. It's like a CHC, okay? Now everyone hogila, so basically there are no doctors there. So in distress, he's calling us. I'm in Kerala, she's sick at her home. We both are literally scolding him instead of it being the other way around. And then when he met us, he was like, "Tea kudirama, wapas hogbidi." He was like scared of us after that.
When labor room postings was there, they started calling, so the sister started calling, "Where is the labor room intern?" I was sleeping.
If you were allowed to change anything here, what would it be?
There are many things.
The DDR only. There's no place like some musical chair. Whoever goes first gets to sleep, the other people have to stay up the whole night.
Hostel.
Ravi sir. ENT. Thoughts about
one word. He's great.
We haven't thought so
Don't
much.
be late, no.
Enjoy and study.
Except whatever you will get in MBBS, because you have to be very broad-minded.
I'm forgetting.
When you have come here, like you are in the middle of the ocean, you can't go back. Therefore, you have to swim as you can.
Don't take other people's opinion too seriously in terms of our profession. ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ಕೋಪ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಇದಿರಲ್ಲ ಬಟ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನೈಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿ ಡೂ ಗೆಟ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ದರ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅನ್ನೆಸೆಸರಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವಿಟಿ ದಟ್ ಆರ್ ಓನ್ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಪಗೇಟ್ ಸೊ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಲೀವ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ನೈಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನ್ ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಗಿವ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್
choose between Malvika ma'am from ophthalmology, Anushri ma'am and Sharvari ma'am.
Anushri ma'am from medicine or hostel?
Ophthalm.
In
Choose
terms of
anything.
Anything you
It's a
want.
rapid fire.
Malvika,
ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವ್ರು ಟಾಪರು ಹೇಳೋದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರು
First
you should serve like this. Like this, okay.
Okay, Mudde Manju.
ಪೊಲಿಟಿಷಿಯನ್
Trinesh Gowda sir.
some motivation speaker
Ashwin sir.
ಲಾಯರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ
Rekha ma'am.
ಬೇರೆ ಏನೋ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಸಮ್ ಅದರ್ ಟೀಚರ್ ಸಮ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಟೀಚರ್
Okay. Mandya.
ಮೀನ್ಸ್
Sanjeev sir.
Great teacher.
Casualty.
Boring.
OBG.
OBG, I enjoyed very much in OBG. I felt myself leader.
Hostel food. Dissection lab.
Painful.
ಓಕೆ ಮಗು ತುಂಬ ಹಾಲು ಕುಡಿತಾ ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಪುಳಿಯೋಗ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲೇ ಹೋಮ್ ಟೀಚರ್ ಅಶೋಕ್ ಸರ್ ವರ್ಸ್ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅವರ ರೀಸನ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಏನೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಆಬ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಸಾ ಏನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಫಸ್ಟಿಂದ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಇದು ಪ್ಲೇ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರ ಮುಂದೆ ಟೀಚರ್ ಪ್ರಶಾಂತ್ ಸರ್ ಆರ್ಟ್
Ashwin sir.
ಫನ್ನಿ
Casualty.
ವರ್ಸ್ಟ್
Parishrama.
ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು
Graduation.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್
Proxy king.
ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ.
Okay, what's the most awkward question that the patient has asked you?
ಮಗು ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರುತ್ತೆ that question is really awkward.
Few people have asked me like, you repeatedly keep saying all the genitals of all the people. Don't you feel different?
If you were allowed to change anything here, what would it be?
Casualty.
Casual.
Administration. Director.
What advice would you like to give your juniors?
Live your life.
Leave your
Just, like, don't waste your time in music. That is one thing. Learn with passion. Passion, more than passion. You should enjoy whatever that's. MBBS is not just something about coming, getting a degree, doing a job or getting paid. You should be happy with everything that you do and relate everything that you see, and it gives MBBS gives you wisdom. to approach life in a totally different perspective.
Your worst excuse given to the hostel security when you're late.
When we used to get out, no, like we pretend to get out and we have some work and all. We don't know what to talk and go through the phone. So she was like demonetization. This is that, the other.
And then we have to say something which the auntie doesn't.
Does not understand.
Sorry, that word was there.
stuff like patient, something, patient, add another word.
Auntie patient demonetization.
Which is your proud moment, or which was your proud moment as a doctor?
Everybody will come back for the review asking the doctor's name, but some people, like if you have done really well, they'll come back asking the intern's name, like our doctor. We will feel proud when they come back like searching us.
How was your experience with the external exam?
Final year. What bulbo cavernous? Who the fuck will check bulbo cavernous? He's like male genitalia node ilva, bulbo cavernous madakagalva. I would be like, that was I'm screwed for 20 minutes.
Surgery external examiner throw the sheet back to me, like final exam, told something is wrong with your paper, check. I was searching for everything, then I don't know. He told you are writing your lines downwards. Who writes lines downwards? It's a bad, so woman according to astrology. He told you should write upwards always if you want to go upwards in your life.
Uma Devi. Dissection lab. Graduation. Casualty. ಯಾವ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡು? ನಿಮ್ಮ mind. What comes to your mind?
There is one legend. OMR is one legend. I really know that.
Your first night show here.
First
Night show.
night show movie. No movie till now.
Nothing.
No. It's all Telegram.
Your progression of Kannada.
Progression. It's like in 4th year up to here. Then again after internship, it came down like this.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
First is zero. First is zero.
ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Zero. That's zero.
Your experience with
ಫುಡ್
The last
Whatever I
Busy Belai Bath, 4th year we started eating. Pongal still not touching.
ದಿಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಮುದ್ದೆ ಆಲ್ಸೋ
Mudde, no. Mudde also.
how was your experience with external examiner? Anyone memorable?
Memorable. Anatomy. We had tibia and fibula. I told fibia, and lady screamed at me.
What's the most awkward question a patient has asked you?
Not malus, but people used to ask night when you go for speech.
Your funniest experience as interns?
He was on this thing. There was a mass casualty when he was in surgery, and one bus from West Bengal had toppled. Okay, so those people didn't know Hindi also properly. They were speaking nothing they knew. I don't know what language they were speaking. This guy, he had to ask them what happened and all. No, he's like, bus sir.
How did you react when a patient called you sister?
She will beat no, you only the question that you should have asked. Come on. That is the
I did not.
whole casualty will hear what is going on.
I think she's not slammed. That is one thing that she's not done when someone calls her sister.
No, whole casualty would have known like has been called sister.
I went to but on the 6th floor there was a connection though. Boys
Oh my god.
I was like early in the first year. I know my seniors and we used to wear formals even in the night while going to the bakery, going to a movie. Even for washing clothes also I used to wear formals with shoes.
Like, what's the most awkward question that a patient has ever asked you?
A person came with a dog bite. I was like, if I bite somebody else, if I bitten somebody else, will it
read to that person.
How was your experience with the external examiners? Any funny experience?
Funny antalla, our internal examiners try to save us. When external examiner asks questions, if our examiner feels that I don't know answer, we will deviate. No, sir, have some snacks.
If you were allowed to change anything here, what would it be?
Hostel warden.
I want Meenakshi to get this test. Okay, how is the experience with the external exam? Very funny. So he'll come and he'll be like, he was just showing us an instrument, I think some screw. So I was not the person who wanted to answer the thing. There was other person. I don't want to tell his name. So he's just showing this thing and he's telling Enidu. So this person is, sir, it's a type of. So he's explaining everything about the screw, but he has not used the word screw. Okay, the examiner listened to whatever that person told and then it's just a screw. That's what I want. So he's like, he expected that word screw, but this person told all A to Z things about it.
ಅಕ್ಕ ನಿಮ್ಮ ವಿಯರ್ಡೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಇನ್ OPD?
ವಿಯರ್ಡೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇಸ್
ಫನ್ನಿ ಅನಿಸಿದ್ದು ಅಥವಾ ವಿಯರ್ಡ್ ಅನಿಸಿದ್ದು?
ಫನ್ನಿ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಐ ಟೆಲ್ ಒನ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಮೈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಮೈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಟ್ OBG ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಸ್ ನೇಮ್, ಬಟ್ ಈ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಏನು ಒಂದಿನ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಸಂಡೇ, ವಿ ಆಲ್ ವರ್ ಸಿಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ an OPD and there was a white helmet in the table. It was an OBG OPD. Okay, so this guy was something weird person. What he has done, there was one seal also in OPD, so that he was taking C-unit seal. C-unit Wednesday bunny, Saturday bunny ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆ ಸೀಲ್ ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡು he was actually putting everywhere sign. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಅದು ತಗೊಂಡು just putting that seal over that white colored helmet also, and he forgot about it. That was our ma'am's helmet. Ma'am ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಫೋರ್ಗಟಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಮ್ ಆಫ್. ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಹಂಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದು. ಮನೆ ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ವಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ರಿಟನ್ C-unit Monday, Wednesday, Saturday. She went after home and she was called and ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬೈದಿದ್ದು ನಾನು. The day after that ಕೈಯಲ್ಲೇ she made it rub with everything with the spirit and all. It was one of the funniest things.
Your favorite hostel food, tiffin?
Hostel food, everything is weird only.
If you want to change anything in MIMS, what do you want to change?
I want to change everything in MIMS first of all. We should have freedom here first.
First crush, ma'am?
I'm already married, man. No crush.
Crush. You had it.
Many crushes will be there. Crushes, many are there.
Rapid fire, Sanjeev sir dissection.
Appa, one example is there. He has taken, he was dissecting male genitalia. He has taken testis, okay. He was actually doing it. He want to know whether this size is same or not. In my Cunningham book, he has compared it man putting it on my Cunningham. That to testis.
If not doctors, what would they be among this? Mudde Manja sir.
Police.
Anmant Prasad sir.
Advocate.
Karthik sir.
What he will be, I really don't know. I can't tell.
Rapid fire.
You can tell.
We won't reveal.
It's not revealed.
It is not only farewell day.
You can
We
tell.
will be there.
Pakka, no.
Pakka.
ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್ ಸರ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಏನಾದರೂ ಏನೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಬಿಟ್ಟಾಕು.
Ashwin sir, forensic.
ಅಶ್ವಿನ್ ಸರ್ ಸ್ವಾಮೀಜಿ.
Manohar sir.
Manohar sir dancer.
Advice to juniors you want to give in Kannada. Try to tell.
ಕನ್ನಡಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವ ಜೂನಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಂಟರ್ಸ್
ಎಲ್ಲ ಜೂನಿಯರ್ಸ್
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓದಬೇಕು, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ಫುಲ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನ್. ನೀವು ಯಾರು ಅದನ್ನು ಬೇರೆ ಥರಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಎಂಜಾಯ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಾವು ಸರ್ವಿಸು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಚೇಚಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಬಾಯ್.